Okay, don't worry, he's just arriving. Hey Alvaro, good morning. Put your things on your desk and just come, okay? Let's start the lesson. Good morning, third grade.
Good morning. Can you do that?
Okay. Again? Okay, guys.
Do we stand up?
Yes, stand up quickly.
Who's our helper?
Who was our helper yesterday?
Alvaro.
Alvaro. Okay, I just think that this person that's next has been our helper recently.
Who?
Isabella, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
You have to mix them.
Yeah, I already did. Okay. Our helper for today is not wearing a chef hat.
Yes.
Sit down. Mariana, sit down. Our helper for today.
It is dinner time now.
Right now the principal said that it's dear time. It's drop everything and read. This is a library week, so as soon as she says this, we have to drop anything that we're doing to read for about 10 or 15 minutes. So the kids here will start reading. They have to read quietly and not disrupt other children that are reading. Ten, 9, 8, 7. Sophie, can you please remind them to come when I'm counting? 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Guys, again, when I start counting, that's when you need to start coming back. Not stay talking to people and wait until I'm in 1. Josias, please stop. And wait until I'm in 1 to come running and sit down. Okay, this is something that we need to work on. Okay? Please. Josias, second
We
time.
still don't know who's the help. Isa.
Okay, we need to do it fast. Al is the help. Okay? It's because we lost some time doing the deer.
But we were still missing.
Okay, guys. Who can tell me what perimeter is? Damian.
It's how long the sides are.
It's the length around a figure, right? So 12, 20, 12, 20. So what do we need to do? Who said add? Yeah, you add all of these. That will give you these parts. Only that. Okay? Josias, can you see?
44.
Who can tell me what the area is? Emilia.
Is that something back inside?
Exactly. The area is the part that's inside a flat 2D figure. Okay, so this is the perimeter, and inside a flat figure, we have the area. Now, since yesterday math class was so quick, I want to show you the video I was going to show you on area yesterday. Okay, so let's watch it, that way we can finish understanding it. And then we are going to move on to volume. I'm sorry, Caleb, raise your hand when you need to talk. What did you say?
Is it always Timon movie? Or
It's a brain pop.
yes.
Okay? So let's be quiet, guys.
Junior or Brain Pop?
Brain pop junior.
Yes.
I tried to find area in the other brain pop, but I couldn't.
No. What is the difference? I didn't get it.
Guys, let's start listening, okay? Give me 1 second.
Maybe we should paint this wall. Well, first, we should figure out the area of the wall. What is area? Area is the measurement of the space inside of a shape. You can calculate the area to figure out how big a room is, or how much carpet you need to cover a floor. You can calculate area to find out how much wallpaper you need, or how much tile you need to cover a wall. In our case, we can calculate the area of the wall to figure out how much paint we need. What are square units? You can find the area of a shape by dividing it into equal squares and counting them. These squares are called square units. This shape is 3 squares wide and 3 squares tall. There are 9 square units inside the shape. So the area of this shape is equal to 9 square units. Great, Moby. We can describe an area in square units. This rectangle is 10 squares wide and 5 squares tall. It has an area of 50 square units. What is the area of this shape?
Look at this one. Pay attention
It's
to
a
this.
little tricky because there are 2 half squares here.
But I made 2 squares.
That makes 1 square, right?
First, count the whole squares.
Listen.
There are 10 square units.
11.
There are also 2 half square units. 2 half square units make 1 whole square unit. So this shape has an area of 11 square units. How do you calculate area? What is the area of our class garden? I know that our garden is 6 feet long and 4 feet wide. We can divide the garden into 1-foot squares. There are 24 of these 1-foot squares, so our garden's area is 24 square feet. Instead of counting all the squares, you can multiply the length and width to find the area. 6 feet times 4 feet is equal to 24 square feet. Let's see. This wall is 4 meters by 2 meters. Multiply to find the area. 4 meters times 2 meters is equal to 8 square meters. Since we know the area of our wall, we can figure out how much paint we need. I think we've got enough paint, Logie.
Okay, guys.
Ruby is stinky.
Let me turn that off. Okay, guys. So, does anybody have any questions on area? So the area is all the space that we have inside a flat figure. Yes, Luciana? Yes, if for the perimeter you say. Yeah, if it says 2 centimeters, always in your answer put centimeters. Okay? Emilia?
In the video, so which one do we have to do? Multiply or add? Because both are.
You can do both. You can do both. For example, if we have, I don't know, a figure that's maybe something like that, and they are all different, 5, 16, and 20, you cannot multiply these because they're different. So what do you need to do? You add, right? This is for the perimeter. Now, if you have the area and this is Mariana, and this is 3, and this is 5, they're going to ask you, what is the area of the figure? So when you read or somebody tells you area, you know that it's going to be inside. So what do you need to do?
15.
You multiply 3 times 5.
And so perimeter you
In perimeter, you add. You have to add all of them.
16.
Okay? Because the perimeter is just the area around it. Now, we are going to start, today we're going to do volume. Okay? Volume is almost the same as area, but it's for Tiago and Rodrigo. Let's pay attention, please. Otherwise, you won't be able to understand this. The cubic unit is for the space inside a 3D figure.
3-dimensional.
3-dimensional. Okay, so if for area we have square units, which are the little squares that are inside a picture. For this one we have cubic units. So that's the difference. Square units for area and cubic units for volume. Okay? So who can guess how many cubic units, Diego, are going to fit in here? Rodri, give me a guess.
84.
84. Mariana.
50.
50. You?
43.
43. Emilia.
9.
Sophie.
25.
25. Okay. Let's see.
30.
How many, what are these called? Cubic units. Unit means 1. Right? Let's count. Count with me. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Juan Diego. 9. Hold on. 10, 11, 12. Okay, wait. 12 fit in here. Josias. 12 fit in here. Now let's see how many we can fit in here. Right? We already have 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold on. 5, 6, 7, 8. Thank you. 9.
84.
Let's say 9. Stop. Okay. So if we have 12 here and 9 here, how many do you think will fit here? So what do? We multiply 12 times 9.
108.
So we already know that we are going to have 108 cubes here without having to put them one by one by one. Right? Now, we already got the first, let's say, floor. Okay? What happens with the rest of the box? Do we still have space to put up?
Yes.
Let's see how many can fit.
I think it's 300 and...
Now look, stop. How many can fit up here? Here. 3.
260.
So, everybody pay attention. We said that on the first floor, Diego, on the first floor we had
108.
12 times 9, 108. So that's on the first floor.
In 2 floors, it's
Here.
216.
Exactly. So we did 100, Rodrigo. How can we get 3 floors? We know that one of the floors is 108. What do we need to do? Vane, add what?
216 to 108.
So 108 plus 108 plus
216.
108.
324.
Let's see. Because I'm not very good at math, so I want to have you add. Does everybody understand what I did here? Diego, can you explain what I did here? Come on. Shh, let's listen to what he's saying. So we got the area of the part on the bottom, right? And we said that that's 108 cubes. If we put all of these cubes here, we would have 108. But then we said, okay, that would only fill the bottom part. What about the rest, right? So we saw that we can have 3 floors, right? So on each floor, because it's the same, we would have 108. So if we have 3 floors of 108 cubic units each, that's why we added 108 the first floor, 108 the second floor, and 108 the third floor. Is it 300?
Yeah, it is.
Okay. Okay, I hope that's correct. Let's see. 108 plus 108 plus 108. 8 times 3?
24.
2 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0?
3. I got it right.
Really? Oh, very good. Very good. Very good, guys.
Yeah.
Okay, so,
I'm just saying because you.
let's not forget, guys, the people on the back can stand on their knees. Only the people on the back, that way you can see.
But I can't see me.
Yeah,
Anyone
tilt
that
your head a little
behind
bit.
me.
Let's not fight, okay? I just said go on your knees, because I want everybody to see this. Or I can put it here. Remember the other day, I made a figure.
Oh no.
But you guys were forgetting
The inside.
the insides. Exactly, Josias. Very good. You guys were forgetting that the figure. Okay, what's going on? Please.
I want to put away the pillow.
Okay, no pillows, please. Let's pay attention. This is more important right now. You guys were forgetting that this shape has cubes inside and on the back.
Oh.
So, for example, how many cubes would we have here? Let's see. Mariana, I want you to come up and show the class what you're doing in your head. We are getting the volume of this figure. Now let's see. Everybody look at it. Come over here so you can see. Okay, you have 3 here and 3 here and 3 up. So that would be
9 times.
so wait. She used a very good geometric term. She said that this face, Alejandro, she said that this face has 9 cubic what? Units. Now, what are you going to do, Mariana? If this face has 3, how many faces do we have here? 1, 2, 3. So, we have 9 cubic units here. We have 9 cubic units in one face, and we have 3 faces. So what would it be? Isabella,
Yes.
come. Thank you, Mariana. Isabella, what did you do? Listen. Okay, what Mariana did was very good. She got the area of the first face. So she said 3 times 3. So this one, I'm dividing it, has 9, right? Oh, see, I just want people to visualize this, okay? So look how many we have. They all have 9. So 9 times
3.
27 what?
Cubic
Cubic units. Okay? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. So when we go and work on this, guys, I want you to remember that there are always figures behind and inside. Okay? Do we have any questions on this?
No.
Area gives you square units because it's a flat figure, and volume gives you the cubic units. It's a 3D figure. Okay? Okay, guys, everybody go to your stations. 7 times 6, 42.
Mira qué dice aquí. Ay, qué gracioso,
You have 10 seconds to go to your station.
What?
Did everybody pass here? Yes.
Everybody that
No?
I never got it.
Oh, because the folder's so short. So we can take. There it is. I forgot to give it to you. Exactly. Count these. How many do we have?
No, wait, 9.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6. 9.
Where is it? Oh,
But look, 6.
Ale, don't say it or it will become an annoying word.
I have no hair.
Don't say it.
I don't tell me. It's the baby again. I got one
And what?
Give me 1 second.
Okay, your turn.
So
Wait,
you know over there.
You have to bring it
Two times 80.
Okay, that's what I So you have 6.
No, look, it's stupid.
How many do you have?
I don't get it.
In the whole thing.
It's 25.
There we go. It's exactly the same. So how many do we have here? Guys, can you please wait? I'm working with these, okay? Give me 1 second. 9, 10. Kevin made a rectangle with 8 cubes in each layer. Why don't you go get the cubes? Or you can come over here and work here.
6 times 1. Is there any 6? You don't know what A plus A plus A plus A is? My Grammy. 7 plus 14. SB is filming us. 15. Oh no. 15. And 20. Oh my God!
What's going on here? Please go and sit down. You two and you. Because you were fighting, guys. I will give you one more chance. I want to see you practice multiplication or division. Okay? Lara was making a picture with star stickers. In her picture, she used 10 stars, so we have 10 of these. If she counts the vertices, how many will she count? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there are 5 vertices. How many stars? Yeah, 30 vertices. Now, which ones are the sides? Exactly. These, right? So how many sides does each star have? 10. So we have 10 sides and 10 stars. What are we doing? Okay, one star has 10 sides. So she has 10 stars. Yes, you can go and work with the color. Who was Alejandro? Okay, Alejandro. He didn't say stop, but if you're breaking it, do you think that's nice? Do you think that's nice?
It's 30.
Okay, if you see that this is bothering him, you need to stop, even if he doesn't say stop. Okay? Okay. Especially if he says stop, you need to stop. Okay? Alejandro, you too. Yes.
I don't get it. It doesn't seem like a dog.
Like a dog? Quickly.
My dog's How can I tell? Yeah, I know. You said 11 times 11? Yes, I can't believe you said 100 times. We're the
With 8 cubes in each layer. So, in each layer.
I don't know.
How many layers does it cube? So it has 4 layers.
Oh my gosh.
In each layer, there are how many? Cubic units in each one of these layers.
This hurts my eyes. Seriously, this really helps for inventory in Minecraft. Maybe I think it's a different picture.
No, it's the same one.
You
Juan Diego's group and the group here on the carpet are way too loud. I can't hear the people here around me. Okay?
Okay.
Alec, can you please check this again?